Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. Today a variation of my Call of Duty raygun. Some gentlemen asked me for a sleeker, more realistic version of it. So I made him this. It's a bit more, not so, and yeah, powerful laser, of course. And he insisted on a sight, insisted on the shape actually. He saw that somewhere on a classic ray gun. So yeah, let's try it out and demonstrate. My favorite target, paper. Orange paper works fine. It doesn't really take long. To make it through. There we go. The Nerf dart test. Melt, 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 melt. Oh yeah. Ouch. And that's it for today. Super short demonstration. I don't want to, it's not really much to show for this one. And he should play with it. I bet he can't wait and watches the video before he has it. So yeah, that's it for this time. Not sure what's up next. Be surprised, just as I am. Stick around and I see you guys next time.